In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tags in Google Docs. This will help you collaborate more effectively on your documents by ensuring that specific people can be notified and take action directly from the document itself. Let's dive right into it. Imagine you are working on a Google Doc and you've reached a section where you want to add a comment or require someone's input. The first thing you'll need to do is highlight the part of the text where the comment is necessary. This helps to ensure clarity and context for anyone who might come across the comment later. So, click and drag your mouse over the relevant sentence or area. Once you've highlighted the necessary text, look for the comment icon. It's usually located on the right-hand side of your document and looks like a small speech bubble. Click on this icon. A comment box will appear, allowing you to type in your remark or question. Think of this step as setting the stage for a broader discussion or specific feedback, drawing attention to particular details. Now here comes the magic part. While typing your comment, you can incorporate tags by simply typing the @ symbol. Once you enter the @ symbol, Google Docs will provide you with a handy list of accounts or people currently available to tag. This feature is incredibly useful because it saves you from having to remember email addresses or names precisely. Just select the person you wish to tag from the drop-down menu. Tagging them in this manner ensures that they receive a notification about your comment and know exactly where their attention is needed. One of the convenient aspects of tagging in Google Docs is that those who are tagged have the ability to mark an item as complete once they've addressed your comment. This feature acts as a form of communication loop closure, highlighting finished tasks or resolved issues. It's a practical way to keep your document tidy and your collaborators informed about the document's latest status. So, to quickly recap, start by highlighting the text where you'd like to insert a comment. Click on the Add Comment icon and type your comment. Add tags by using the @ symbol and selecting the appropriate person. Finally, let them mark the issue as complete if needed. And there you have it, the straightforward process of using tags in Google Docs. With these steps, you're well on your way to making your collaborative efforts more efficient and less stressful. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoy learning these practical tips, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more content.